Good morning. This is Judge Alyssa Perez, resuming the civil docket for the 210th District Court for August 6th, 2025. Again, all matters being heard are being heard in accordance with all directives regarding remote proceedings. In addition to that, we are streaming all matters live via YouTube for public viewing. I'll go ahead and calling cause number 2023 DCV 1335. Pedro Morales versus Copestone General Contractors, TNT Construction and Remodeling LLC, Miguel Hernandez, DBA HDZ Construction, and is it Stone Professional Services? And Jorge Alfonso Polanco Aguirre, DBA Three Kings Construction. May I have announcements, please?
Alejandro Acosta on behalf of the plaintiff, Pedro Morales.
Charles Kibler here on behalf of the defendant Copestone and the move-in today, Your Honor.
Jason Rose here, Your Honor, on behalf of Jorge Alfonso Polanco Aguirre, doing business as Three Kings Construction.
Good morning, counsel. We are scheduled for a motion for leave hearing. I have defendant Copestone's motion for leave to designate responsible third parties. That was filed back in January. Mr. Kibler, are you handling that?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
You may proceed.
And Your Honor, if I may, I'm sorry this is out of order, but I may be able to shortcut some of this because I think a lot of this I can agree to, except for one party, which I think Mr. Kibler may be in agreement with me as well. But I don't have an issue with him designating the parties that have been served but haven't answered in the lawsuit. I think that's proper. If they do answer, though, I'd ask the court to reconsider the motion if they do file an answer. But as to Jorge Polanco and Three Kings, they are currently a defendant in this case represented by Mr. Rose. And so I'd ask that obviously they not be designated as a responsible third party since they're a current defendant. But the other ones I don't have an issue with.
Alex, I appreciate you jumping in there. I was going to present that to the court. A number of things have happened, Your Honor, since I filed this motion in January. And the biggest one perhaps is the appearance of Three Kings and Mr. Polanco. But TNT has been served and never answered. HDZ has been served. At least I think they've been served, Alex. You can tell me whether they haven't been, and they have not responded. Stone, I believe, was served, has not answered. And then Oscar Morales was never a party. So, but we've taken his deposition, which is odd. And so I agree with Mr. Acosta that as to Three Kings, which we asked for, that should be dropped. But we would ask, of course, that those others allow us to designate those as responsible third parties. And I have no issue, Your Honor, if at some point in the future they decided to answer and enter into the lawsuit, that they just become parties and we be done with it.
Okay, so I heard, so I'm understanding Three Kings withdrawn. I'm looking at your proposed order, Mr. Kibler, and I'm sorry, maybe I wasn't following closely enough. What was it for Oscar Morales? What did you say about him?
He was never a party, Your Honor. He's never been sued. His company, TNT Construction Contractors, whatever the heck their name was, Construction and Remodeling LLC. And the other thing about that one, that LLC did not exist at the time of the incident because of a lost franchise agreement with the Secretary of State. So we're asking to add Oscar Morales, TNT Construction and Remodeling, HDZ. I forget their full title here. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Construction.
Yeah, HDZ Construction and Stone Professional Services.
Okay, so that on the order, what I am seeing here is that just leaves number 5. I'm indicating there is withdrawn by counsel by agreement. Other than that, the rest are sustained. The order is signed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
I have nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay.
Sorry for going out of turn, Your Honor, but I thought I'd shortcut a lot of this.
Appreciate it. The reason I called you in is in trying to make up time. So thank you for your time. If y'all don't have anything else, we have all kinds of future settings, right? Yes. Where if you need something outside of those settings, please request your hearing. Are we on track for jury trial in January so far?
Your Honor, from plaintiff's perspective, Mr. Rose and his party just got into the lawsuit. We think they're an integral part of the case, and although we're currently operating under the current scheduling order, there may be time where we may try to revisit that just to make sure we have the discovery we need.
So, well, but we don't have that final status till November. Okay, I'll wait till then. That's fine, but that date is gonna push back quite a bit. So,
I'm skeptical, Your Honor. I'll just leave it at that.
oh, I get it. I get it. But it's probably gonna mean latter 2026. Like latter, I mean like November, December. That's what I'm thinking. But we'll get there when we get there. We'll see you, if not sooner, in November. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you,
Thank you, Your
gentlemen.
Honor.
Y'all are excused. Have a good day.
Thank you too.
Okay,
Judge, did you want me to call the 11:30?
that's fine. We can go ahead and get off of YouTube as well.